রিং থিওরি থেকে আমরা একটা প্রবলেম দেখে নিই এমসিকিউ টাইপ। The integral domain of matrices A, B, 3B, A, AB belongs to Q, where Q be the set of all rationals under the matrix addition and multiplication is four options are not a field, is Q field but not field, and none of them. তো দেখো এখানে আমরা প্রথমে এই যে ইন্টিগ্রাল ডোমেন, a definition of integral domain. What is the definition of integral domain? A non-trivial ring which is commutative, right? Commutative with unity and having no zero divisor. In addition with ring, if there be three extra property hold, then it is integral domain. Okay, and there be uses word skew field. What is skew field? Skew field is also a non-trivial ring, but every non-zero element is unit. Each and every element of skew field is unit if it is non-zero. Now we see another information. Definition of ring. Definition of ring means R plus is a commutative group. Commutative group, that is 5 property are there. R dot is a semi group. So 2 property are there. The first is closure and second is associative. And plus and dot are distributive. So this is 2 property, distributive from the left and distributive from the right. So that in a ring 5 to 7 to 9 property hold in a ring. Now in a field there are first 5 property, that is R plus is commutative ring, commutative group, and this property transferred to dot is commutative group. So there are extra 3 property required. The first is unity, second is unit, and third is commutative. And also these 2 property, last 2 property are also required. And in this problem it is given that this is an integral domain. So we already take commutative property because integral domain is commutative, and unity, so we get this property, and only one have to prove this is unit. Now we take determinant of this type of matrix and we get determinant of A, B, 3B and A, and this is A square minus 3B square. This is not equal to 0 this is not equal to 0 because A, B belongs to Q. If this is equal to 0, then we get A, this is equal to root 3 into B, plus minus root 3 into B. So if B is rational, then A must be irrational. Okay, so this is non-singular. And we know that every non-singular matrix is invertible, so unit exists. Every non-zero element is unit. So we prove this is a skew field. Okay, this is a skew field because the definition of skew field is every non-zero element is unit. Clear? Also we see that this is also a field, skew field, and this is also a field because this integral domain follow all the property of field. So our correct option is not a field, this is wrong. A field, this is correct. A skew field but not a field, this is also wrong, because skew field but not field, this is wrong, and none of them, this is also wrong. So our correct option is option 2. Okay, and if there be 4 or 9 or 16 or 25, so this is a perfect square number, then we get in this position, this is 4, so we get this is a equal to plus minus 2b. So in this case, this is equal to 0, so this is not singular. Okay, and if this type of element are there, then this is not a field. But since this is non-perfect square number, 3 is a non-perfect square number, also it is a prime number, so it must be a field. Okay, so our correct option is option 2. Thank you for watching.